My name is Sakis Mitsoulis, your guide to the amazing region of northern Greece, where I grew up and where you will feel welcomed home. This isn't just any corner of the world. Once upon a time, the Greek gods roamed here. Today, it's all about artists, winemakers, and spiritual wanderers, with the occasional cyclist thrown in. And speaking of cycling, the best way to see it all is on two wheels. Picture yourself pedaling through jaw-dropping mountain views, along serene lakesides, and into towns so charming, even the cats will stop and say hi. Feasting on local delicacies with mountains as your backdrop, melting away your troubles in the spa. The best part is that northern Greece is still a bit of a secret. That means no crowds, just you, nature, history, and some good food, and the warm company of the locals. So come for the beauty, stay for the passion, and leave with a fresh perspective of Greece. I'll meet you there. Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.